Beautiful nature here, but the rain had disturbed a lot. SHIKHAR SHANTI born with the VIHARA. Now we're getting in. This is the one at past, just one around the small bar and to the Buddha statue. Now it seems as a blurring. We are here at Kolbanjang due to the rainfall whole night, 2 nights. We are planning to go to Hatisue, but as the local brothers suggest that don't ride to that way because the road is very muddy and slippery and the slopey also. So we are going to Thecho-Dudhauli to Hetoda, and then from there we'll go to Aran and SANKHUWASABHA. It's 2 days it has been raining non-stop. It's beautiful nature here, but the rain had disturbed a lot. Now we arrived at Hetoda. Now we are going to Sindhuli. It's 115 kilometers far from here. Then we go to Dharan. Oh, 311 kilometers. It's very far. Iman 133. Further 2 hours drive we reach here, but it's raining now. It has stopped here, so we hope we could enjoy ahead. Okay. We are heading now on the way to Sindhuli. Look at the road. The highway is very clear now. After the rainstorm, it's a very beautiful nature we see. We are here at the Bagmati Bridge. This is the Bagmati River, which flows from Kathmandu, out of Kathmandu's valley, and now from Chawar is coming here. You can see this is Bagmati River, and we are heading to Sindhuli from this Bagmati. Over this Bagmati Bridge. We are crossing Bagmati. Pura Padega Pura Bagmati. In the river, we can see all corn paddy. Bagmati Tapé. Pari Pari. Sorry, rural municipality. Bye bye Bagmati. Now we are entering to Sindhuli now. It's a very beautiful scenery. The trees. The leaves are falling down, but now because of this 3 days rain, it will be very good for all the plantation. Weather is very nice now after rain. Otherwise this place will be very hot. The last hill, then after all the plain areas, so this road is in the lowland, not completely lowland, but I think we are by the lowest hill of there we go. After riding for 5.5 hours, means after our breakfast or say brunch, we have stopped here at Sua. We can see a rainy brook here. In the rainy season it will be flooded, but now it's dry, and there's downstairs is a small river. Don't know what river is that. But it's a very beautiful whatsoever. If nature after the rain, now it's a sunny weather here. You can see it's beautiful hillside. And here's a tree. We're planning to sit for a while here. Tired. And we see we're here going to rest for a while. Sindhuli, we arrived, but our destination still we need an hour. Now we arrive at Sindhuli. You can see this is Sindhuli downtown. I think it's the bus park area we are coming. I think this is the old market, or the main road, main highway for the body bus area is the other side. Highway 2. This one. This is Sindhuli bus park. Now we are going to the highway. On this highway, we are going to another highway. There we go. arrived at Viman, and now we are going to slowly from this way. We are now at Viman. The junction is about Katari, Kaiga, Chatara, Dharan. Now we can see the route. Now we head from this way to Thecho-Dudhauli. We are heading to the SHANTI or Thecho-Dudhauli. Now we are going over the Kamala river. There is a bridge, a very long bridge. You can see the uphills side by side, very beautiful. You can see the side, very beautiful. In Sindhuli, we can see the locals' houses. It's a grain store, if I'm right. This is the grain store and the cattle. The locals have pile of the firewood like this. Here also a grain store. This is the old house made of the wood and the tin roof. This is the tradition of the people here of living. Here we are at the Kaha Bazaar in Sindhuli, Dudhauli. This is the bazaar. You can see, and here is the uphill. But it's rain stopped, and now we are feeling very hot. We have to take off the dress, and we are look like some cartoons here. Very hot. This is the Kaha. Now we can see SHIKHAR SHANTI Buddha Vihara. Now we are going to a temple. SHIKHAR SHANTI Buddha Vihara. We are coming. This one is the monastery. We are going here. Okay. We are now entering to Seismic Park to go to the monastery. You can see the girls, local girls collecting that the leaves for the animals. Now we are getting in. And the local people call this place also as a park also. Lobdara, I think the local people say. Lobdara, I must say. Here we go. Oh, the road is looks very slippery. Huh? The red clay slippery because of the 2-3 days raining. Oh, the road is like this, you can see. Oh goodness. The road. My goodness. So far, within 2-3 hours of rain stopping, the place has been like this also. Very hot place, that's why it's like this. Bikes are not allowed to go in there now, up to here. Here we are coming to the monastery side. Bikes are up to here only. Oh, it's barred now. Okay, here is the monastery. Off. Dudhauli. Here, this is Martyrs Memorial Park, and through this we are going to the SHIKHAR SHANTI Buddha VIHARA. Now this is bird going ahead. It's very hot here. Just 3 hours before rain stopped. It's the red clay, that means hot area. The weather is still not clear. It's cloudy, but very hot for us. If not rained, oh my goodness, how hot it would be. Can see the Buddha stupa here. Now it's a pillaring for the betterment.